Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change VIVO control center. So firstly, let's launch the control center by swiping upwards from the bottom part of your display like that. Then over here you will need to scroll those shortcuts all the way down, tap at the icon that has these 3 horizontal dots, and then simply rearrange the icons as you please. You can remove icons or add them to the list of used shortcuts. Here is the list of shortcuts that you actually can access, and here is the list of unused shortcuts respectively. Once you are finished, hit the done option at the top right corner of your display, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.